Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a reputable VPN provider and confirming legality. Make sure you're not trying to bypass geo-restrictions or terms of service, because I can't help with that. Once chosen, sign up with a unique password and enable multi-factor authentication. Next, download the official client for your device and read the provider's short setup guide. This establishes a secure foundation. Doing this first prevents configuration mistakes later and keeps your personal data safer while you proceed. Now you install the official VPN client and pick a modern protocol, such as WireGuard or OpenVPN, for speed and security. Once done, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your real IP won't accidentally be exposed if the tunnel drops. Make sure the client is up to date, then run a quick IP and DNS leak test to verify encryption. If the test shows leaks, switch protocols or restart the client. These steps harden privacy without attempting to finish by confirming how apps behave while the VPN is active and keep the client updated to patch vulnerabilities. Make sure you use secure payment methods, do not share account credentials, and log out after sessions. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is this. Run an IP/DNS leak check, then switch between protocols and reboot the device. If that fails, contact the VPN provider's support. This approach resolves most instability without encouraging any activity that violates a provider's terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.